G'day, I'm Josh from Hoselink, and if you haven't got a suitable wall to mount your retractable hose reel onto, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to install this freestanding hose reel mounting post. First, you'll need to find a suitable location for your post to be installed. You can place the post anywhere outside that's close to a tap. Mark out where you want the post. Measure roughly 250 millimeters for the width of your hole. The hole width needs to be at least 3 times the width of the post to accommodate the concrete. Start digging your hole until it's about 350 millimeters deep. Use post hole pincers to remove any rocks or stones that might obstruct the mounting post. Once the hole is deep enough, pour in 100 millimeters of gravel to form the base. This will allow water to drain freely around the mounting post. Use a tamping rod or piece of timber to tamp down the gravel into an even layer. Set the mounting post in place. You'll need someone to help you hold it. Check that it's level. The concrete needs to come approximately 250 millimeters up the mounting post. Prepare your concrete according to the bag instructions. You will need 30 kilos of concrete. We're using a quickset concrete that requires 3 litres of water. Using a tamping rod or piece of timber, repeatedly pat the concrete to compact it. This will enhance its strength. Check again that the post is level before the concrete starts to dry. Wait 30 minutes for the concrete to harden before backfilling with soil. Allow the concrete to set fully for 24 hours before slotting in your Hoselink retractable hose reel.